In today's video, I will walk you through how to make upside-down mirror effect using Clipchamp. Open Clipchamp and add your video to the timeline. Click the video clip to select it. To make a simple upside-down effect, go to the preview toolbar and click the three dots. Hover over Flip and select Flip Vertical. This will turn your video upside down like it is reflected on a horizontal axis. If you want a more advanced upside-down mirror reflection effect, start by adding your video to the timeline. Duplicate the clip and place the copy above or below the original clip. Select the duplicated clip. Go to the preview toolbar, click the three dots, then choose Flip Vertical. This will flip the duplicated video upside down. Next, resize the flipped clip so it fits directly under or above the original video. Adjust its size until both clips align properly on the screen. If needed, adjust the opacity of the flipped clip to make it look more like a reflection. Lower opacity creates a softer and more realistic mirror effect. Align both clips so they meet at the center edge. Make sure there is no gap between them so the reflection looks continuous. You can also make small adjustments to improve the effect. Add a slight fade to the flipped clip for smoother blending. If available, apply a light blur effect to make it look more natural. Keep the movement slow in both clips for a cleaner reflection appearance. This effect works best when the subject is centered or moving vertically in the frame. Make sure both clips stay aligned while adjusting size and position. To recap, Flip Vertical turns your video upside down, and duplicating the clip and applying Flip Vertical creates a full mirror reflection effect. Once finished, review your timeline to make sure both clips are aligned and the upside-down mirror effect looks correct. Thank you for watching the video.